Mom's I'ma get forget the rifle and she vex here, sir. That's it. Mom's they have I hopes for the rifle and it never gonna work out. So she hurt. That one baseline, Glenn. For the baseline, that really go on.
Saying, Jakes, this ain't no jealousy, because how would you feel if I was itch up in some house with a man or something like? Come on now. I started getting vexed. I'm not gonna lie, I started getting vexed. Anyway, him said to me, say she there with him, with her man. I say she did there with the man. What man? Her husband. She there with her partners, her family at home. So me, I said, Jakes, I live in England. Yeah? I live in England. And I know here there are a lot of married couples that like to bring people in their relationship. Them call it swingers.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing's set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. I've made it up on the beat and it can't see. On the screen. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People I just don't know, because when I'm looking at Rosealee situation, the two are man them in a bagger, as you can see on the screen. AKEEM boyfriend Snow is back on the TikTok, and the people them is asking about AKEEM and all of this stuff. You know what I mean? And you already know Snow is very open about AKEEM, because see him and Was did they go live on a this up Ivany one time. And you know Snow is not going to back down from these questions, because this is what these people do. Listen, man, I say, put in the comment section where you think about that, because that is the only person AKEEM won't address on the apps. But nevertheless, people, Jakes, boy, oh boy, oh boy, him say Chev stress because she now get the you know what. You feel me? But homegirl is saying that Jakes in a bagger nastiness and a whole heap of bagger things, you know, and denying the scamming and all of this stuff, you see me? So like and share the video from now on our social media platforms so everybody can hear what go on for that to go on, you see me? Because we're going to hear Lawyer and Chef part first. If we know want to fast forward to the end and listen to what Jakes said after them, is him.
Eating out if I know so I'm gonna spend so much money for that man. And what right now, guess what? My prevention better than cure. Yeah. How do we know you're not like now? Listen, anything you want to think it now. I'm the scammer that never got scammed. How about that? Let's start there. What's TikTok lawyer saying now? What is TikTok lawyer? What for free? She's offering you cars. She's offering you all these things. Are you mad? I said, Jakes, but it's not even like you don't have no money. Remember, he's sending me the money and I'm sending it back to him through Remitly. This ain't making no sense. You could have got an Airbnb if you really wanted to get away that bad. Like what is going on? What is going on? Him say, Chev, babes, you know, say, I'm jealous and rave. I'm saying, Jakes, this ain't no jealousy, because how would you feel if I was itch up in some house with a man or something like? Come on now. I started getting vexed. I'm not gonna lie, I started getting vexed. Anyway, him said to me, say she there with him, with her man. I say she did there with the man. What man? Her husband. She there with her partners, her family at home. So me, I said, Jakes, I live in England. Yeah? I live in England. And I know here there are a lot of married couples that like to bring people in their relationship. Them call it swingers. What the frig is going on around this? So worse it up on the internet and people have it say you love wash drawers. Yeah? What is going on? What is going on? So he said, sorry, I just got a message. He's like, oh, and I'm not like that. You want me to go get her? I'm going to say, yes, she and the husband, bring the two of them come. I want to talk to the two of them. No, the two of them go knock the door and bring the two of them come. I want to talk to she and the husband. She came on the phone. Remember, I'm on video call. But on the video call, all I can see is the top of her head at this point. Sometimes she move it and I'm getting her shoulder. I'm not seeing her face.
No face, nothing. Okay.
No face, no nothing. She's on the phone and she's whispering at this point. She's whispering. So she's not whispering low enough that I can't hear her. Yeah? She has said me did attack her. I know who she is because me did attack her. And I'm saying, why the hell is this woman telling a lie on me? May I listen, and she's saying stuff, but now it's gotten to a point where I can't make out what she says. Someone says, Jakes, put the woman on the phone, cause I need to know him. Say before he put her on the phone, he said, you did somebody come in at my uncle live earlier on and asked for me, don't it? I said, yes. Him said, well, I she that. I said, put her up on the phone. When he put her on the phone now, and I said, lady, liar woman, me did attack you. She said, Chevy, when you
And Chevy, one call on Chevy. So the person who came in the uncle live and asked for him, what was that person's name?
Her name on TikTok was Mr. and Mrs. Smith Enslope. But she's changed her name recently, but her name keeps changing from the two. But it's the same picture with her hand on somebody's back.
So
right?
that's the same person. So that same person, the Mr. and Mrs. Smith Henslop, that's the person in the chat that say you disrespected them.
Right. And I didn't disrespect her. She came in the chat and she asked for Mr. Beckford. And when she asked for Mr. Beckford, I literally wrote Jakes with an asterisk. I know that she's talking about him, right? And I put, oh, I don't care about that. That's fine. It's going to be on FYP anyway. Sorry, they just lost me. Yeah,
she asked for Mr. Beckford in the chat. She was
asking Mr. Beckford in the chat, just continuously spamming. Anybody spoke to Mr. Beckford? Where is Mr. Beckford? Where is Mr. Beckford? She's spamming, and I've ended up coming in there, seeing it because I like to scroll. You know, when you go into a live, I like to scroll to see what's being spoken about. Anyway, I've seen it, and I've put Jakes with an asterisk. So she's saying that when I did that, I had attacked her, but how I don't understand how that's attacking. Anyway, so when me and her are on the phone now, she's saying, yes, and I did come into Mr. Beckford's uncle's live, and when I come into the live, you were attacking me. I said, lady, how was I supposed to know? How was I supposed to know that you were his lawyer? But the reason why I was calling him Mr. Beckford is because I am a professional. I'm a professional, and you have to understand that as a professional, I refer to my clients as their last name. I said, listen, lady, no one ain't frightened for your professionalism, you know. So you telling me all of this, it doesn't make any sense, because at the end of the day, like I said, when you came into the live, how am I meant to know that this is a lawyer? Your name on there is Mr. and Mrs. Smith Enslope. That doesn't indicate to me that this is a lawyer. So what you're saying still don't make any sense. Like
exactly, it doesn't say attorney at law. It
doesn't anything. It doesn't indicate to me.
Makes sense.
That this is a lawyer for me to say, oh, this is Jakes' lawyer. So, she'll go back and forth with me. You need to listen to me. Listen to me, Chevy. I'm saying, lady, I need to listen to you. It's a choice. If I want, you know what? Give Jakes back the phone. Cause I'm in a dunce reasoning. Give Jakes back the phone. I'm not doing this with you back and forth for you telling me that you're the lawyer and me should I know how would what? Give Jakes back the phone. I ain't got time for this. It's late too. She gave him back the phone. She was still trying to be in conversation with me, and at this point I just blanked out and told her I don't want to talk to her. I don't want to have no more conversation with her. And Jakes took back the phone. That was it. Yeah.
So the husband never came to the phone?
No husband never came to no phone.
Wow. So it was just, but you see that voice you hear, that's how she sounds.
Yeah, that's how she sounds, yeah. I had to listen to it for a moment because when she says certain words, it's like me. I'm from Bristol. So when I say certain words, because of my accent, you might hear the Bristolian a little bit more. Some people don't even know what I'm talking about, but those of you from England, you know, Bristolians, our R's are really pronounced. So there's certain things that she says where it's more pronounced. Do you get what I mean? But yeah, that's her. That's her. Why? Anyway, why?
No, because I'm saying, because I was just asking Sassy if she and Jakes, have you and Jakes and this lawyer been on a phone call together? Apart from that time?
No, we've never been on the phone together, me, her, and no. Now, let me tell you something. Sassy said that the woman told her that I had tried to get in contact with her. Do you get what I mean?
Yeah.
Guys, this is things that I've already spoken about, so it's going to be on the FYP anyway. Like, I don't know why you lot are trying to dictate what is. I told you. Please. Anyway. Sassy said to me that the lawyer told her that I reached out to her when Jakes got locked up, but that's a lie. I didn't.
Oh, so you never reached out to her. She was the one who reached
No,
out to
she
you?
reached out to me. I can show you. Hold on.
Yeah, then. Where the mama. Jeez. Chat, this is crazy.
She reached out to me. I think it's this phone. Oh, it might be my other phone. I can just I'm gonna do airdrop quickly.
Okay.
Oh no,
The lawyer live on
Here it is.
TikTok and she even named
Here it
TikTok
is.
lawyer. Okay.
Good
Yeah,
morning,
clearly
I'm
that's
Mrs.
her.
Smith. If Mr. Beckford, who is being detained by the police, has mentioned me, could you please let me know? I can be contacted at and it is
See the
essential
same
that I
number
speak with
there.
you
See the same
urgently.
number there, chat. See the
Yeah.
same number there, chat.
And
Good
then,
morning. Let me read it again, Chevy. Good morning.
good
I'm
morning,
Mrs.
I'm
Smith.
Mrs. Smith. If Mr. Beckford, who is being detained by the police, has mentioned me, could you please let me know? I can be contacted, and then the number, and it is essential that I speak with you urgently. When I called her, I didn't get her. I left the message which Sassy sent me. So that's what she had sent Sassy, saying that this was the message that she got from me, and she's not talking to me about anything. Bearing in mind, this lady sent me a message, hence the reason how I got your number.
Wow.
You get me?
See the message request accepted. It say you accept it. So she messaged you.
Yeah, she messaged me.
Oh my God. Chat. Call everybody and everything. So let me say this. Sis, look. This morning, me send the person. Say today, 10:37 a.m. Me send the person. Me say, what a way you disappear. A job as so-called lawyer send it to my inbox. You see what me say that? You see? You see what me send that? You see what me send it this morning because me get so skeptical at everybody. Me supposed to say Jake.
Sorry, show me the other DM again, please.
That's what I said. Because me get skeptical about everything, and I said that.
Okay.
See the other DM there.
But there's no date on it.
No, because I cannot text because other messages were there, so I cannot take the date because it's a screenshot. I cannot get the date because other messages.
You can log in. You
there.
can log in and actually like screenshot it, scribble out what you're scribbling out, so I can see the
All right,
the
let
date.
me scribble it out. Let me do it. Let me do it. Let me scribble out what I can. Let me do it. Maybe see if I could do it. If I see if I could do it, because it's my TikTok. This it's my TikTok. I just don't want to show the person DP and the person name. Oh shit. Guys, okay, how me can do it? So me can take out the DP and the person name because more she see the date.
Just crop it, innit? You can just crop it.
Hold on, but the 9,000 because that day a lot of conversation happened. A lot of things were said.
I thought everyone was getting blown up, to be honest. So I feel like everyone.
I don't know.
If you don't know who to trust, I say you just blow up everybody.
I'll blow it up if I find out this person, I'll blow it up. But I don't know
including that person that sent that message. Everybody needs to be whistleblowing at this point. I'm not gonna lie. Yep. Sound the alarm.
I cannot get that. The only way I could do is screenshot my inbox, screen record my inbox. And I cannot, because if I screen record it, you're gonna see everything the person was saying.
Can you do me a favor? Can you do me a favor? When you and that person started interacting, can we see the date on that? Was that the first message they sent you about me?
No, that's not the first message. No, that's the only message ever came about you. That's the only message.
Oh, so you and this person interact on a regular?
This person since October 9th, 5:20.
That's the first time you guys had an interaction?
Yes. About you was Tuesday. No message never came about you. That's the only message ever came about you. That was a Tuesday. That was past Tuesday. No message, never nothing up, nothing concerning you. You never came up.
Put in the comment section if you think TikTok Liar and Jakes, Woman Chev works together to bring down Embarrass Rosealee. Now let's see a little bit from Jakes. You see me?
Moms, I'm gonna forget the rifle and she vex here, sir. That's it. Moms, they have high hopes for the rifle and it never gonna work out. So she hurt. That one baseline, Glenn. For the baseline, that really go on. So me ask everybody please to tap the screen and share the live.
Listen. Look at what I say for one iPhone and meds and then she could hold it. What do you mean by the iPhone?
Actions, now I'm actions. You understand? Listen, the man now live up to the covenant here, sir.
Hey, the money, I think the covenant thing, a rich man. Look at what
But like keep him covenant.
sugar, salt, and some natural.
No. Eat up him greens and circle the hills more often.
They say what to be. Can't be no ways.
That's why a black man, a black you in there.
No, I just say you have to be here.
Tell him that style after.
Oh, Paris. Oh, yeah, Paris.
Yes.
Paris, I want to support them too.
It's all them Babylon water, yeah. You not drink them. I drink the water from out of the mountain.
From out of the mountains in France, drinking water them, yes.
We have the fun and laps.
Where's the Anjibo? A true Paris attack. Yeah, somebody else this a true Paris attack, you know. Oh, Jordan too. Greta. I don't know what I'm talking about. More than the young lady never get through if you get the rifle and she feel that way. Is it? So she start be a disrespectful argument. First she start disrespect Sassy, now she start disrespect Shanti. Now them want to talk about, well, never them. Liar come in and come talk about my liar is an imitation liar and I am a scammer on the internet. I'm trying to scam. You want to involve Rosealee in the arms house. The woman not even. Come on. How Rosealee get involved in this? Be a problem in our job on the surfing because she'll click for your life now with one more leap of arms house. That's it. I'm not use blue soap on my face. Yeah, dog. So when I want to do now, I just avoid the full argument. Because I'm careless. Yeah, tap the screen and share the live. Go on tap the screen and share the live. That's what I found there. Go on tap the screen and share the live. To me, them start involve some other kind of man. You can't want to involve some other kind of man when you talk about. When you involve me in an argument, you can't involve some other kind of man. You see it? Yeah. Me need to clear her name. How many need to clear her name? How that drop it? Who's R? Who's R name? Who's R? Who is our name? Unique KK. Yeah, but her, I don't know who is her. I need to clear her name then. Whose name I need to be, who I need to clear?
You know the artist. Her.
Listen, man. That same Peter Gay. And them need to come clear up Peter Gay. Yeah, for real.
Yeah, you're a page.
Come to play some music again.
Yeah, man, you're a page. Yeah, on a love, on a come from brother page, on a mix up,
On a
All
glad
of
fear.
who, where
A
they are
glad fear about music.
asking question, on a mix up.
Glad fear about music.
All of them mad them, on a mute them, on a not for black them, just mute them. On a full up, on a ease up, put it on a mix up. All I wanna lift up. One Nessa Bling.
Big
Now
up in
for say
Nessa.
40. One Gucci. Big up on yourself. Yeah, that's a cool.
When you hear what you say, man, me call her. When you see it. When you see it.
One tease. You can't carry it.
15 minutes worth of music. You go and build up the life, please. Go and tap and share. Oh, so, on here. Go on here.
Drex.
Go on.
Annie come out the hospital.
Yeah?
Yeah, should he go look for you?
You go to the hospital, go look for me?
No, she look for you at night in her hospital. Annie. Hey, what going, baby? What happened to Drex, yeah? Drex, tell Annie welcome back home. She was in the hospital.
What's up, Annie?
Hey, what's up, Drex? Right.
Welcome home. What do you happen to you?
Oh, I'm at pressure. I may have high blood pressure. I'm good now, man. I'm good. Is everything good?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
Okay.
I will some to Annie Mexico.
Annie, I tell Drake say you go look for him and he said you go hospital. Remember Drake saying Foota? Remember Drake saying we're size 9, you know? Jesus Christ. Like we had coffee in the mix.
Yeah, you should mix up, Annie.
Not trouble, you know Vanya had trouble already. Coffee have a lot going on. Like we had coffee. But Shantu and Bebu, where the baby them there?
What my baby them name, Ivany? Where's my baby them name?
Shantu and Bebu.
Jake still not learning. You see, I say, anyway, people just give them quick update. I walk one for the one. You know, Rosalie still up on vacation, so we have to wait for her to, finish vacating the island with her boo AKEEM. Until she come back to come address them thing. Yeah, you see me? So do the right thing and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest stuff. Bless.